What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another Shiba Inu video, and we're going over Shiba Inu and baby Shiba Inu today because something big is happening inside of the baby Shiba Inu community and in the Shiba Inu community. So let's go over that now. Now, as you can see, this is the Shiba Inu chart. So yes, we have been going straight down after that consolidation that we had around the 6th of July. And yes, coming into the 7th of July, we ended up breaking that consolidation. And yes, we are not 0.00000623. So everyone is thinking that we're going to continue to go down on this downtrend, and I'm going to kind of go over my theory on this, my whole thesis on this, and what I think is happening next with Shiba Inu. Okay, so let's get over that right now. And I don't really want to do many technicals right now because let's be honest, with everything that's happening in the crypto market, it's not just Shiba Inu going down, it's the whole crypto market. Everything's going down because of the FUD. So when I say Shiba Inu is going down, I mean the whole crypto market is going down. I would say we have a support line. There's a whole support line for every single crypto out there, and they're all, right around that support line. Look at all of this. All of this is red. This is all red. Everything is down. 6% for Bitcoin, 10% of Ethereum, 10% Binance, 13% Cardano. We got Dogecoin at 16%, Polkadot at 22%, Uniswap at 19%, Bitcoin Cash 13%. All this is all down. And then we have baby Shiba Inu, or not baby Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu all the way down at 17.3%. 17.73% for the last 7 days, and then for the last 24 hours, 6.11% with Shiba Inu. So yeah, definitely a lot of different things are going on right now. So what I want to really talk about is the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the crypto market, and how this is affecting us. Because the longer FUD is being spread, the longer we're going to go down. And notice how earlier inside of the year, from January to about March, just notice how everyone was so big on crypto. There was so many people talking about crypto. So many people were jumping into crypto. And it was exactly that made everything go up. It was the FOMO, the fear of missing out. There's always these two cycles inside of everything, inside of stocks and crypto. There's always the FUD cycle and then the FOMO cycle. Right now, crypto is inside of its FOMO cycle. The same thing with the stock market. The stock market, even though the stock market, the S&P 500 is at like all-time highs, it's still, some fear around it right now. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt around the crypto market, and it's really affecting everything. So that is why Shiba Inu is down. That is why baby Shiba Inu is down. That's why Bitcoin is down. That's why Dogecoin is down, Ethereum. Everything is following the one thing that we all know and love, which is Bitcoin. So when everything's following Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's having this terrible news about China getting rid of crypto, about all these Bitcoin mining farms inside of China getting kicked out and not being able to operate in China, all this different stuff is happening, which is causing everything to go down. Not only that, we are having updates inside of Ethereum, updates in Bitcoin, and updates inside of Dogecoin. All these updates in all these different cryptos, that's what's going to help us rise. But right now, it's not the time to rise right now because there's still FUD inside the market. So one thing I want to talk about Shiba Inu, we have 591,000 people inside Shiba Inu now, and it's up 10% inside of the last 24 hours. So what I mean by up 10%, I mean the holders are up by 10%. So we have 10% more holders, and with that, we have 591,000 now. So we used to have 590,000, as you can see there, 590,806 people. And now today we have 591,370 people. So almost 1,000 people got into Shiba Inu overnight. So every single day we're getting all these people into Shiba Inu. Yeah, it's only 0.1%. But anyways, that's still a lot of people, 0.1%. So anyways, that's how many people are now back into Shiba Inu, almost 1,000 people overnight. So the next thing I want to talk about with Shiba Inu is this whole TikTok thing, because this whole TikTok thing, I thought, myself, I thought it was gonna, be bad for the meme cryptos. Shiba Inu isn't really a meme crypto now because Shiba Swap is an actual use case. You can actually stake on there, but they have the bury, the dig, all that. They don't say stake. They do these weird terminologies. But anyways, they're meme terminologies. Let's just say that. But anyways, look at this. No shilling Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. How TikTok's crypto ban helps the space. I personally thought that it didn't help the space, but we're gonna read this and see why they think it does. So I'm not always right. So let's see what they have to say about it. So anyways, it says celebrities shilling meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and baby Dogecoin became a recurring theme throughout 2020 as the crypto markets rose. And baby Dogecoin, I do not believe that was even out until 2021. But anyways, let's keep going. It initially came off as a real surprise to many, considering one of the biggest Doge cheerleaders was Elon Musk, the world's richest man himself. But that sentiment slowly grew to disdain, which is the second Elon Musk gets rid of Bitcoin. Now everybody hates him because he doesn't hold Bitcoin in Tesla, or he does hold Bitcoin in Tesla, but everybody hates him because he's not accepting it for Tesla anymore. He's not accepting it as a payment. So they're like, oh, now we hate you because you're doing what we don't want you to do. You're doing what we don't like. So now we hate you. And that's pretty stupid. You shouldn't really hate someone based off of them not doing something that you don't like. That's called being narcissistic, thinking that it should only revolve around you, and your investment opportunity is being ruined. So now you're like, oh, I'm mad because you ruined my investment opportunity. But anyways, let's move on. The likes of Musk made the incessant tweeting almost simulation-like. So he mentioned Dogecoin as a meme, blah, 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 TikTok trends and Dogecoins. So such endorsements didn't take long to become a trend on social media crypto circles on TikTok, one of the world's biggest, blah, 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 blah. Now they say where top crypto investors spend most of their time. So top crypto investors spend most of their time in Bitcoin talk, Reddit, Twitter, and TikTok. So it's just where the new age is going. So yeah, TikTok. So now TikTok not accepting it. I thought it was going to be bad, but people are saying it's not going to be bad. But let's just read it. So anyways, they say down here, but somewhere between the waning crypto interest became the troubles. TikTok, owned by China's ByteDance, distanced itself from all things promotional and sponsored earlier this month. Bad news there, right? So effectively banning the rise yet dedicated crypto hopefuls. So honestly, I thought it would honestly affect it, but people are saying it. Well, let's keep reading and see what they think is going to happen now that this is going on. Because I thought it was really going to affect everything, because this meme cryptocurrencies, TikTok is like the holy grail of memes, right? So anyways, and while the move wasn't received warmly by all, it was welcomed by some in the crypto space. Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, big risk, big reward, but for impressionable young folks on social media hoping to be the next overnight crypto millionaire, these actions can have an incredibly detrimental impact on their lives and finances. Very, very true, because a lot of young people know nothing about investing, and they just kind of jump in head first and they get burned. And it happens to a lot of people. It happens to the best of us. So anyways, this is what the co-founder, Marsellis, said. So anyways, he added Dogecoin has fluctuated through massive ups and downs in the last few months, seemingly all orbiting around the behaviors of Musk. It's become clear that there needs to be more regulation, blah, blah, blah. So they did put these regulations. But anyways, let's keep reading, because I still think this is going to affect the meme currency investing. Now, things aren't just going to skyrocket. So when they say it's not going to affect it as much, what I think they mean is not going to affect the popularity of meme coins. It's going to affect the growth. We're not going to get as much growth, but the popularity is still growing and it's still here. Shiba Inu, if you go over here to CoinMarketCap, it still has 1 million people watching it. You look at Shiba Inu, they still have a lot of people holding Shiba Inu as well. 591,000 people holding Shiba Inu. So it kind of it's not like dying down, but we can definitely see that we're not having the same gains. But that's also due to the FUD inside the market. And yeah, and this is just more FUD added to the market. So everything's going to go down with it inevitably. But let's keep reading. All right, so other platforms to follow, right? So as per Klein, TikTok's ban on promotional advertising could soon be adopted by other social media platforms. I predict it will be Twitter next. I'm actually going to go over something on Twitter with Baby Shiba Inu, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here. Look at this. Yeah, right here. This is exactly why we're gonna go over this, but we're gonna go over this towards the end of the video, because it's a very short segment and it's definitely something that's very needed. But that was just a little sneak peek of what's about to happen, or what's happening, and why I think Twitter is probably gonna ban the promotional stuff, the promotional side of cryptos, right? Because there's just too much stuff going on inside there. There's too many scams, and I would definitely agree with not agree with it, but there's a point where you just gotta stop and then think, is this really right? Like they're talking about the whole Logan Paul scam with stuff that's happening. I mean, Nicki Minaj is now promoting Baby Shiba Inu. I have nothing wrong with that. I mean, I guess I just don't like how they're paying celebrities to promote the cryptos, because that's how people really get hurt. Because let's just say you have someone like they just turned 18 or something. They've saved up like $5,000 working at their job, and they love Nicki Minaj. And then Nicki Minaj says, "Hey, buy baby Shiba Inu," and then all of a sudden, baby Shiba Inu has a rug pull, and then boom, your $5,000 goes to 500. And that's what's wrong. That is the wrong part about all this. But anyways, let's keep reading at what's going to happen. They say so. Especially those looking to reduce their participation in the world of cryptocurrency volatility. They say, I could see other platforms following suit in instituting similar bans on sponsored crypto posts. So yes, I definitely do think sponsored crypto posts should be banned completely from everything. Like, you shouldn't be taking money for the sponsored crypto posts. That's almost like me getting paid to say, buy this security right here, because I'm getting paid to tell you to buy the security right here. Not because this is a good security, not because it's a good investment, but I'm being paid to tell you it's a good investment, so you should buy it. Even though I don't believe it's a good investment, I just believe that the money they gave me is a suitable price for me to promote you some trash cryptos. So that's pretty much what's happening here. People are promoting trash for a good price. So people are pretty much selling their whole value system. But let's keep reading here. I have not promoted anything for cash, by the way. Only promoted one thing, but it was not a crypto. It was just a t-shirt. It was a little t-shirt sponsor. Promoted it, but I will never promote any of these cryptos. I've been hit up by so many different crypto companies saying, hey, promote this new coin for us, we'll pay you. And yes, I could take the $1,000. I'm not gonna lie, people have offered me money like that to just do something like that with the cryptos. And let me be very honest, that would be very nice, because your boy is definitely struggling out here like everybody else. But if I'm not going to take the $1,000, and just sell my integrity like that, because I know this is most likely a rug pull. So I'm not going to promote it to people. And also, something I want to talk about is baby Shiba Inu a rug pull? I honestly do not know, and I have not been paid by baby Shiba Inu, but I kind of like where baby Shiba Inu is starting off at, because baby Dogecoin, we seen what happened, and we seen some nice gains there. Shiba Inu, we see nice gains. Dogecoin, nice gains. They didn't completely drop down to zero, so that's good too. So that's why I'm off the fence about baby Shiba Inu, but I'm watching it and I'm telling you guys about it just so you guys don't miss this trend, because it might blow up or it might not. But that's the risk of investing in stuff like this. But at least I'm not being paid to tell you to put money into baby Shiba Inu, right? But let's keep moving on. But it says over here, but even if other similar bans don't go into effect on other platforms, I think this effort from TikTok will provide a much needed reset and re-examination. I don't even know what that's. Re-examination, I don't even know, of how influencers are operating in the crypto space. So yeah, a lot of influencers are definitely being careful about what they're promoting now, because the big people, Rice Gum promoted a scam, Logan Paul promoted a scam, the FaZe clan promoted a scam. So many people are promoting scams, and they're people with really big names out here, so people really trust what they say. So anyways, hopefully they all kind of crack down on this, and there's no crypto influencers promoting or being paid to promote cryptos, right? I definitely believe you shouldn't be paid to promote cryptos. Now, if you want to promote a scam coin on your own, and just be like, look, this is what you should be, and I guess do you. I'm not going to do that. I personally like Dogecoin. I like baby Dogecoin. I like Shiba Inu. I like baby Shiba Inu. I like Feg token, and there's a lot of others that I like. Gitcoin, I did a video on that. I think Gitcoin has some potential. And then there's a lot of different stuff out there, and Cardano, definitely Cardano, Ethereum Classic. Yeah, so many different cryptos out there that we need to talk about. But anyways, leave inside the comment section what you want me to talk about next, what kind of crypto you want me to go over, because I'll go over these, but I'm not going to take payments for it. But like, I will go over it if I believe it is a good project. If it's a good project, I will definitely go over it. But if it's not, I'm just going to turn it down. But anyways, let's move on. So this next thing right here, this is a price prediction that they're saying for Shiba Inu. So they're saying it's now or never before the bulls are walking on thin ice right now. They say it's either now or never. So let's read this. It says Shiba is hovering above two critical support levels. Yes, 0.000000654 in the 625 area. A breakdown of these levels might push it to retest the range low at the 518 area. And we actually did go all the way back down there, somewhere around this time back here. It was around there. somewhere around there. Yeah, in 518 it was like around there actually. So yeah, around the 12th of June it already went down that low. So even if we do go down that low, it's not something that we haven't done yet. We've already done this before. We've already been around the block, I would say. So it's just something that's going to happen inevitably, because you got to think there's so much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the crypto market that if we go back down to that support line, it's really not going to matter that much. Like, it matters if you're someone who looks at your wallet every single day and watches your money go down. Do not do that. If you are planning on holding for a long time, do not watch your money go down. And there's only a handful of cryptos that I would say have long-term value. Because of Shiba Swap, Shiba Inu now has long-term value. It didn't before, but now that Shiba Swap is out, Shiba Inu has long-term value. Baby Shiba Inu, they have this system where the transaction fees are redistributed to the holders, which gives it long-term value. Now, Dogecoin doesn't have long-term value. It has long-term value in community. So the Dogecoin community has a long-term community value. So yes, long-term value in community. And then Baby Dogecoin, yes, they also have a system just like Baby Shiba Inu, where the crypto is redistributed back to the holders whenever people are selling. So it gives it long-term value. So you just have to look at it like that. Cardano, serious long-term value. Ethereum, long-term value. Bitcoin, long-term value. They all have long-term values. Binance coin, BNB, long-term value, because you got to think about it. The Binance coin, there's a lot of, not everything's on Binance Smart Chain, by the way. I'm saying a lot of stuff is on the Binance Smart Chain. So since a lot of stuff is on the Binance Smart Chain, that's going to help Binance a lot. So that's something you got to think about. And Baby Shiba Inu, Binance Smart Chain. Again, Binance Smart Chain is something that is going to continue to grow in the future. So definitely look out for BNB. So anyways, let's move on from this. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this. If you think people should sell Shiba Inu now, or if you think people should keep holding it because we're going back down to these low support levels, I see it as all a buying opportunity. When I see stuff go down like this, I'm like, it's time to buy the dip. But there becomes a point in every investor's life where you no longer have enough money to buy the dip. Like me, I'm not gonna lie, I have no more money to buy the dip right now. I bought the dip so many times that the dip is just non-existent anymore. There's no more dip, there just is. And that's how I'm looking at it. I'm like, I'm not buying the dip anymore. I bought it so much, and I'm just gonna leave it where it is and kind of let things do what it does. But anyways, that's just how I'm looking at it. Like, it's hard out here to just keep making money and then throwing it into something and watching it continue to go down. And I know you all feel the same way, because I feel the exact same way. I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I was looking at my account 4 months ago with $25,000. Now I'm looking at my account now, $2,500. And this type of stuff right here is exactly why you don't day trade, and why you kind of hold off on the swing trading. The swing trading is for skilled investors. The day trading is for very, very skilled traders. And what's best for me and you would probably be long-term holding. And honestly, that's what I'm going to be doing, because I've failed some day trades and failed some swing trades, but I've also succeeded in day trades and swing trades. I have a lot of videos in the previous past about my day trading and swing trading experience, and you can kind of see the money that I was making. So I showed receipts here where, I made a cool $1,000 here, but then I messed up and I lost $1,500 the next time. So that stuff like that always happens. So you really have to be careful. But let's move on to Baby Shiba Inu. All right, Baby Shiba Inu, 0.00. I'm not even gonna say all the zeros. 16834. So that is where Baby Shiba Inu is at right now. Baby Shiba Inu has just taken a huge dive, and that's really what I wanted to talk about today. This is the main thing I really want to talk about. So let's go over that huge dive first. 25.9k in holders on Baby Shiba Inu. 25.9k people are holding Baby Shiba Inu. Really good news there. A lot of people are starting to catch on to Baby Shiba Inu, so that's pretty cool. Let's move on to the chart though, because this is what I want to talk about. Look at this, straight down, all the way up there. It was pumping, it was pumping, it was pumping, and then what do you know? A whale sees a huge opportunity and they start selling. Whales start selling, whales start selling, and then one big whale comes in with a huge transaction. When you see a huge transaction, just a sudden drop, it has no sideways turn in it. It has no kind of curve in it. It's just straight down. That is more than likely a big whale. That is a big whale that sold out right there. All the way from the 2118 area, all the way down to the 1723 area. That nearly dropped 100%. that was nearly 100% drop. Not a full 100%, but it's almost there. It was almost there. I would say that was about, give or take, that was about a 50-60% drop, something like that. I can't do my math right here on the spot like that, but it would be like a 50-60% drop. Ooh, that is bad right there. That's bad news right there. Just that huge drop right there, that's bad news. But anyways, it's short term drops. We had such a huge pump right here coming up into the last 3 days. It was going up, and it was pumping. They were promoting it all over. Obviously, we were going to come in with some whales selling, and that's exactly what you see here. So yeah, some whales did sell out there. It's not the end of the day. It's not the end of the day. Everything is not over for baby Shiba Inu. Just whales are selling. So that's what happens with these meme coins. You have to understand, when you see stuff pump like this inside of a meme coin, you can either do one of two things. You can either sell and take your profits, as I would probably advise you to do if you made enough in profits, or you can hold it for the long term. But when you're going into fresh new stuff like this, just know when it goes down, it's gonna go down like all the way down. But what I want to say about baby Shiba Inu is, remember, everything's following Bitcoin. Now baby Shiba Inu is new. So when there's a new crypto, it doesn't follow the Bitcoin standard. It doesn't follow the Bitcoin standard until it's kind of been standardized, right? So what I mean by this is, after about 5 months of a crypto just doing huge numbers, going up and down, it kind of stabilizes. Like after 5 months to a year, it'll stabilize, and then people will look at it and they're like, okay, we see what it's doing now. And now we're not gonna go crazy because of a meme. We just see Elon Musk talking about meme. We're gonna stop buying because Elon Musk is talking about it. And that's what you see with Dogecoin now. Dogecoin doesn't jump because Elon Musk talks about it. Now, if he said something really big about it, like, hey guys, I just bought $1 billion worth of Dogecoin, then Dogecoin is going off. But right now, with all these small memes happening, it's not going to do much. So you're going to see whales move the market. Like, you're going to see whales move the market more than you see retail traders moving the market right now because of the FUD. So the whales are controlling the market right now. So what I want to say, the whales control the FUD cycle. The whales control the FUD cycle, and the retail investors control the FOMO cycle. So the whales control the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, because you see huge drops like this when they sell all at once. And then the retail investors, they control the FOMO, fear of missing out, because they have the fear of missing out. So they all just throw their money in all at once because they fear of missing out. So I know I said that a lot, but yeah, they have the FOMO. So they keep throwing the money in, they keep throwing it in until the whales come and start selling. And then the whales spread the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's the whole cycle of crypto. It's literally what happens everywhere. And I said we were going to go over this. So I want to go over this Nano Dogecoin. I don't know nothing about Nano Dogecoin, so I'm not disrespecting the Nano Doge community. But I want to talk about these scams inside of the crypto market. So as you can see here, baby Shiba Inu is sending their condolences out to the Nano Doge community. We are sorry to hear about the rug the community at Nano Doge token have suffered today. We will be doing an airdrop tonight to 50 holders and another 50 tomorrow from their community. That's their top 50 holders are about to get airdrop from the baby Shiba Inu community. So the top 50 holders of Nano Doge. So yeah, they're helping Nano Doge out, but this is what I'm talking about. These random cryptos that come out and they have ulterior motives. Now, maybe the creators and founders of Nano Doge didn't intend for a rug pull, but maybe an initial investor at the beginning of Nano Dogecoin did intend a rug pull, and that's what they did. So even though the founders aren't doing the rug pull, the early investors, the people who get in way at the bottom, like, let me show you what I mean. So just like with Shiba Inu, the people who got into Shiba Inu way back here and then sold out up there, they're the ones who are really making the profits. And that is what's happening here. So when I look at baby Shiba Inu is the same way, except baby Shiba Inu is very cheap right now. It's very low. So the people who are getting into baby Shiba Inu right now are the people who are winning in the future. And let me go back over to the baby Shiba Inu chart so you can see that and see what I'm talking about. Baby Shiba Inu is low for what it's at, like really low, yeah, like unbelievably low. So 13 million in market cap, something like that, or it's probably more, but look at that. Baby Shiba Inu is pretty low right now. Actually, wait, this isn't the right thing I want to go see. Let's click here to the Baby Shiba Inu thing and then go over here to their live chart, and that would be a better look. So yeah, Baby Shiba Inu only has $7.7 million in market cap right now. Let me re-say that. 7.7 million, not billion, million. So Baby Shiba Inu has 100x possibility if it can get to $1 billion market cap. Now, Shiba Inu is at $1 billion market cap, actually above $1 billion market cap. Shiba Inu is actually about 3 billion right now, 2.9 billion, give or take. But that's a lot of money. And this is only 7.7 million, and it has the opportunity to get to $1 billion. And Baby Shiba Inu, or Baby Shiba Inu to $1 billion, that's what I want to see. And then you have Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin is like 1.5 billion in market cap. Baby Dogecoin did that in literally 1 month and a half. Baby Dogecoin went from 0 to 1.9 billion in market cap, month and a half. Now you look at Baby Shiba Inu. Baby Shiba Inu 7.7 million. Yeah, it's new. Yeah, it just came out at 7.7 million. Now, what happens when Baby Shiba Inu gets to 1.5 billion, like Baby Dogecoin? That is where you see the huge profits. And when you see it do something like that, you sell it. You don't hold it, you sell it. When you see something go 100x, you better believe it's going to go down 50x, because that's just what happens. It's just how it goes. It happens with everything. We've seen it happen with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Baby Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything that has a 100x jump immediately will immediately have a 50x decline just as fast as the 100x jump. So, telling you all right now, if Baby Shiba Inu jumps 100x, just sell it. Sell it, sell it, sell it. And then when it drops by 50%, put your money right back in, and then watch it go right back up. And then as it goes right back up, sell it. Watch it go right back down when you sell it, then buy it again, watch it go right back up. And this is how you really make money inside the crypto space. You don't listen to what everyone else does. Because look, I'm going to get people who dislike this video just because I said sell it. Those are the people you do not want to be like. Those people are like, yeah, diamond hands to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. But when they see 100x, they're still screaming diamond hands to the moon. But me and you are screaming big bank account to the moon. Like, that's what we're screaming. Like, I see my money go up 100x. I'm selling it and putting it into a more sound investment like real estate. That's just what I'm saying. Like, if you see your $1,000 go to $100,000 within the matter of a month, like, what? Take that out. Like, take out the profits, leave inside the initial investment. So you take out $99,000 and then you leave $1,000. That is the way to win. So then when it goes down, you never lost money. You already took out your $99,000 in profits. And that's what happens when we 100x. From $7.7 million to $1 billion, or let's just say $1.7 billion, just so we can level it out. $1.7 billion, that's 100x. $7.7 million, 1.7 billion, that is, boom, 100x. 7.7 million to 1.7 billion, 100x. And that's the potential. That's the potential Baby Shiba Inu has. Now, Baby Shiba Inu only has this potential if Elon Musk tweets Baby Shiba Inu do. As funny as it sounds, if Elon Musk tweets that, if he tweets Baby Shiba Inu and says do at the end of that tweet, you best believe Baby Shiba Inu is going to the moon. As funny as it sounds, that's what's going to happen if he tweets Baby Shiba Inu and he does the whole baby shark thing. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm hoping Baby Shiba Inu goes to the moon. I feel bad for the people inside of the Nano, I don't even know what it's called. Nano Doge. Yeah, I feel bad for the Nano Doge people because they got rug pulled. But Baby Shiba Inu is coming in to help them with, well, they're only top 50 holders. Not everybody over there, but only the top 50 holders are going to get helped over there. So that's good news anyway. But yeah, Baby Shiba Inu is going to the moon. They got this little Baby Shiba Inu game right here that they made, and they're retweeting to Elon Musk. So Elon Musk actually might tweet Baby Shiba Inu do. Now, if he says Baby Shiba Inu do, then Baby Shiba Inu is going to go to the moon. And they're trying to get him to do this. They're making a whole Baby Shiba Inu game. So if Elon Musk retweets this game, if he says anything about Baby Shiba Inu, you are going to get 100x in profits. Not guaranteed, but most likely you will get 100x profits. At the least 10x profits. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you like this show, or not this show, but if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. I'll be back with another video. Peace.